Hi, I'm Kelly Dan Hupiro, owner and founder of Agency Performance Partners, and I am so excited to announce officially a project we've had in the works for the last 6 months. We are about to launch our brand new learning management platform, our Agency School 2.0. This is huge. Because of your commitment and your patience and your excitement about learning, we've been able to invest in a whole new learning management platform that's going to revolutionize training for insurance agents across this country. Basically, what we're doing is combining some of the best content we have, adding in 10 to 15-minute quick hit videos, empowering leaders and managers to see where their team's training stands, and giving you guys a community as well where you can like and comment. Also, you'll have the ability to search a little bit easier, find lots of content, enroll in different courses, and get updates on where we are. So in order to do this transition, it's going to take a little patience. If you're a school student and that's the only product that you really have with us, we will be in touch over the next 6 months to migrate your account. If you're a consulting client working with an agency performance partner and you have your team here, what will happen is we will be reaching out if you're on a retainer. But if you're in an active consulting program, when your program transitions to the next step, we'll be migrating you and your team. If at any point in time you're really excited and you want to get a jump start, just let us know and we're happy to put you in line. This is going to be something that we are so proud of and we're excited to deliver to you to keep enhancing your services. If you have any questions, let us know. If you want to see the features of the new school, you can scroll down a little further and you'll get a sneak peek tour. But in the meantime, if you have any questions on which school to log into, we're here to help you. If you're in a program that started before January 1st, 2026, you are most likely on the old school. So you'll click that button. If you're on a program that started after 2026 or in 2026, you're most likely on the new school. That's the easy cheat sheet. For our subscription students, you'll just know one by one as we reach out. No harm if you click the link and you can't log in, just try the other one. But let us know how we can help. Thank you guys so much, and we can't wait to deliver this to the industry.